Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make paneer tikka pizza. We'll make this pizza in the frying pan. First we will make the pizza crust. First we will put salt in the white flour. And now we will add baking powder. Baking soda. Mix dry ingredients first properly. Now we will put oil in a white flour. Mix everything properly. And now we will add the warm water in the white flour slowly and we will knead the dough. Make sure the water is not too much hot. The water should be warm. Don't over knead the dough. Don't put too much water in the same time. Put slowly the water and knead the dough. You can even mix this with the spoon also. We have to knead this dough softer than the normal chapati dough. Now we will put some oil in this dough like this. Now cover this dough with the wet cloth and put it in the warm place for 2 hours. Now we will prepare the topping for the pizza. In a hot pan, first we will put some oil. And now we will put chopped green pepper and onions. Keep stirring like that and we will cook this for 1 minute. We'll cook the veggie in the high heat. Now we will put the chopped tomatoes. Cook everything for 1 more minute. Now we will put paneer cubes in the veggies. Cook veggie by keep stirring the veggie, otherwise it will stick in the pan. The flame should be in the high and keep stir the veggies. Our toppings is ready now. Now we'll take out the veggies from the pan. After 2 hours of resting the dough, we'll knead the dough for 1-2 minutes one more time. Our dough looks perfect now. Now we'll start making the pizza base. Cut the dough in 3 equal pieces and dust some flour in the counter. Now we'll take one dough ball and we'll start making the pizza base like this. You can try with the roller also by rolling slowly. Now with the fork we'll poke in the pizza base like this. In the whole pizza base we will poke in both sides. Now we will dab some oil in the pizza base. And the oil part of the pizza base will be in the bottom of the frying pan like this. The oil should be stick in the frying pan. Now we will put pizza sauce. Instead of pizza sauce, you can even use the tomato ketchup also. Properly pour the pizza sauce in the whole pizza base. Now we will put toppings in the pizza base. Now we will put chopped green chilies. Now sprinkle some oregano. You can totally skip the oregano. If you don't have oregano, you can even make without oregano also. Now we'll put cheese in the pizza. Cheese quantity depends on your choice. Spread the cheese in the whole pizza like this. Now we'll put garlic butter in the sides of pizza like this. For the garlic butter, put crushed garlic in the melted butter and some oregano and mix it, and the garlic butter will be ready. Pour the garlic butter like this in the whole side of pizza. If you will put the garlic butter in the pizza sides, the pizza will be taste more yummier. Now we'll bake the pizza. Cover the lid and bake the pizza for 8 to 10 minutes. We'll bake the pizza in low heat. In end, you can put some chopped coriander leaf. It's almost 10 minutes now. Our pizza looks cooked now from both sides. From inside also it looks good. Pizza is cooked from the bottom part also. Our paneer tikka pizza is ready now. Now enjoy this yummy paneer tikka pizza. This pizza looks yummy and tastes also super yummy. Please subscribe to my channel for more yummy recipes. Thank you so much.